Y'all, if you didn't think it looked steep from the bottom.
Okay.
Hey there, it's Olivia. If you're new here or you haven't already, please give that subscribe button some love and make sure you turn on that little bell so you're notified when new videos go live. What are we doing today, you guys? Yes, we are at one of our favorite hiking spots in Denver now. It is Mount Falcon because it's beautiful. It's just open, it's incredible, and we love coming here to hike. So this is the adventure you get to come on with us today.
What?
Like, look at that view! I'm talking about Jim, not the mountains. Also, just so you guys know, the first video in my free video workshop, Self-Empowered Success, has already dropped, and the next video is coming out very soon. So if you've been struggling with bipolar anxiety or depression and you have been trying to beat it on your own, then definitely go make sure to check out that video. The link is in the description. You can go to www.simplyoli.com/SES. Yeah, baby, look at this big old mushroom. Look at that. That is a big mushroom. Hold on. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Oh, goodness.
Hi.
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
We're hiking on this big old walk we had to go on.
Basically, we're becoming mountain goats.
All right. You want this one?
Yeah.
Huh? Hi. Hi. You're doing great, Mommy.
Thanks, baby.
Don't get hurt, don't get cut. Don't get ouchies.
How's she doing?
Halfway. Y'all, if you didn't think it looked steep from the bottom.
Okay.
You're doing great, girl. It looks like a straight up just rock wall from here.
Man.
Be strong. Be brave. Come towards mama.
Yeah.
Yay, sissy.
Yeah. Paige, hold my hand. Thank you, Paige.
Hold my hand.
You needed that, didn't you?
Yeah.
Get ready for the view because this climb is always worth it. I know, right, babe?
Yep.
Yep.
We're up here.
Look at that rock stack. Oi, buddy, that's quite the majestic creature. A Jim Ryman in the wild. What? Okay.
Tea?
What are you doing?
Going.
Ready, Mama?
Ready.
You ready?
Ready. Can you lay down? High five! Yeah!
Yeah.
The hills are alive with the sound of music.
Alright, that's enough shenanigans for one hike. Yes, I hope you enjoyed. You keep staying simply awesome, I'll keep staying simply Ollie, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye! Paige, say bye. Paige.
Bye.
Yeah!